Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Here I am going to show how to edit photo like vector mode. First we open the photolab application. Then go through the lens icon and type in search vintage. Then select the vintage effect on the screen. Then select the image you want to add that preset. After selecting the picture, then click arrow button. Wait until the processing time ends. Here we can see the vector effect on the image. Then the next step is that you want to save the image, clicking the three dots. Then open Snapseed application and import the picture last we applied the effect. Then go to Double Explore tool and add a completely white shade image, and add to the picture.
Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance, not the life I want to live. I want to take it all, standing tall, fear I've weighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Draw the white background carefully. After the drawing, the background is look like this. After the draw, click the tick mark down there. And once again go to Double Exposure tool and select the image completely black shade. At last, adjust the picture position.
Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume.
Thank you for watching my video. Like this, we can make our own stickers.